Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Running off with athletics, two-time Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah will be coached by Ronaldo Walcott at Elite Performance Track Club. Confirmation came Monday morning via press release from her management team and the sports management, led by Olympian Marvin Anderson. Walcott also has been coaching five-time world 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce since the 2020 season. Fraser-Pryce and Thompson-Herah were also training partners while at the MVP Track Club. The development comes exactly 1 week after TVJ Sports broke the story that Thompson-Herah had severed ties with temporary coach Shaniki Osborne after 4 months. Jamaica Premier League newcomers Limehole Academy are on the hunt for a new coach following the resignation of head coach David Price this morning. Price was noticeably absent from the bench in the St. Anne team's 1-1 draw with Cavalier on Sunday at the Draxall Sports Complex. Limehole are winless from 4 matches while garnering 2 points, but were under the guidance of manager Alfred Barnett, who confirmed with TVJ Sports today that Price has stepped down.
Up until yesterday he was, but I was also his assistant coach. But he didn't turn up yesterday, and since morning he sent a message to the executive that he will no longer be wearing that cap.
Okay, so it wasn't that he was fired, it's just that he's basically...
Yes, he stepped down.
Week, a new man should be at the helm.
Yeah, definitely, I will be on the hunt for a coach, but I will have to do the job until. But in short order, maybe by in another 2 or 3 days, I should be able to retain another coach.
Meanwhile, former champions Waterhouse can move to within 2 points of leaders Mount Pleasant Academy when they take on unbeaten Vere United in the second match of a doubleheader at the Stadium East Complex in tonight's action from the Jamaica Premier League. The match kicks off at 7:30 with the Drewsland-based team on 7 points, while Vere are on 5 points from their opening 3 matches. The Clarendon team have a win and 2 drawn results. In the earlier match at 5, another unbeaten team, Humble Lion, on 5 points, opposed Tivoli Gardens, who have 6 points with 2 wins and a defeat. Tivoli are coming off a 3-1 win over rivals Arnett Gardens, while Humble Lion battled to a 2-2 draw with Harbourview the last time out. Now, last Saturday's Inter-Secondary Schools Sports Association ISA Champions Cup quarterfinals, which were postponed due to the adverse weather conditions, will be played tomorrow with matches across 3 venues. A doubleheader at the National Stadium will take centre stage, with Dintil Technical opposing last season's beaten finalists Kingston College at 3 p.m. It will then be followed by the clash of former winners Clarendon College and St George's College at 5:15. Manchester High will be the venue for Hydel, taking on Garvey Maceo at 3 p.m, while Mona High and Glenmuir are down to battle at St Elizabeth Technical High School. And despite lifting a 6th ICC World Cup title, only 2 Australians, all-rounders Glenn Maxwell and spinner Adam Zampa, have been named in the ICC team of the tournament. There are 6 Indians in the team, including the player of the tournament, Virat Kohli, who amassed 765 runs, Captain Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadeja, tournament's leading wicket-taker Mohammad Shami and Jasprit Bumrah. South African Quinton de Kock and Sri Lankan Dilshan Madhushankar round out the list. Australia captured Sunday's final with a thumping 6-wicket win over the hosts in Ahmedabad. Travis Head following in the footsteps of Sri Lankan great Aravinda da Silva to be the only players to score a World Cup final century while chasing. That's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.